In this video tutorial, you will learn how to upgrade the RAM and locate the SSD for any Lenovo ThinkCentre M70q, M80q, M90q. To get started, you need to remove this screw. Now slide the case with your thumb, just like this. I will repeat the process. Now turn the ThinkCentre on the other side and do the same process. Slide it with your thumb until the cover comes off. As you can see, there's 2 slots of DDR4 memory. So this RAM slot is occupied, this one is empty, and I'm going to show you how to install memory. Do not put it like this. You need to turn it on the back and align it just like this. Push it down until it clicks into place. So just like that. Here is the SSD location. So M.2 SSD is easy to replace. So I hope this video has helped you. After the RAM installation, you need to put the cover back on. So make sure like and subscribe to the channel is aligned, and I will catch you on the next cover here. Thank you for watching. And you just slot it into place. And then here too, you put the cover on. So when you put the cover on, make sure you do it like this, because it is a bit fiddly. Don't forget to put the screw in so it locks into place. And yeah, I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you on the next video. You can also scroll through my other videos and you may find them useful.